Okay, these Cerwin Vaga Model D7 speakers. Really nice speakers, actually. I got these for free helping somebody move. It's pretty nice. I replaced those with some crappy Sony speakers for now. I looked on eBay. I didn't see the original ones on there yet. I keep looking, but I have an issue, I think, with this one here cutting out for some reason. So let's see what's going on. This is under my workbench. I have a couple of flashlights shining a light on the situation for us. I'll take this guy out. Make sure it's not blown. The easiest way to do that is use the multimeter. Those connections seem tight, but there's a possibility it could be loose somewhere else. Okay. I like to use some of my old speaker magnets. Take stuff apart. They work great for stuff like this. You can put them inside of a metal dish or something like that. Alright, let's see what's going on with this guy. It appears to be good. .8 ohms. Alright. Okay, there's our problem. It's got a big old rip in it. And to be honest with you, I've used these speakers before a bunch, and I've heard it crackle a little bit, but you know, it actually didn't sound like it was torn like that. I might just be able to glue that back together, because it's still read okay on the ohmage, so I don't think the coil is messed up. Let's see if I can doctor that back up somehow. That's got a big old nasty rip going. I don't know if it goes all the way under that dust cover or not. I'm trying to tell.